Introduction to Authorize Net Webhook Setup. To get started with the advanced guide to Authorize Net Webhook Setup, you need to understand what webhooks are and how they can be used to enhance your payment processing capabilities. Webhooks are essentially callbacks that are triggered by specific events such as successful payments or failed transactions. Step 1. Setting up your Authorize Net account. To set up webhooks, you first need to have an Authorize Net account. Log into your account and navigate to the Settings section. Here you will find the Webhooks option where you can configure your webhooks. Step 2. Creating a new webhook. To create a new webhook, you need to specify the URL where the webhook will be sent. This URL should be able to handle HTTP post requests and should be able to parse JSON data. You also need to specify the events that you want to trigger the webhook, such as payment successes or failures. Step 3. Configuring webhook events. Authorize Net provides a wide range of events that you can use to trigger webhooks. These events include payment successes and failures, as well as other events such as refunds and disputes. You can choose the events that are relevant to your business and configure the webhooks accordingly. Step 4. Testing your webhook. Once you have set up your webhook, you need to test it to ensure that it is working correctly. You can use the Authorize Net Sandbox environment to test your webhooks. This environment allows you to simulate different events and test how your webhooks respond to these events. Step 5. Handling webhook data. When a webhook is triggered, Authorize Net sends a JSON payload to the specified URL. This payload contains information about the event that triggered the webhook. You need to handle this data and use it to update your records or trigger other actions. Best practices for Authorize Net Webhook Setup. When setting up webhooks, it is essential to follow best practices to ensure that your webhooks are secure and reliable. You should use HTTPS to encrypt the data sent to your webhook URL, and you should also validate the webhook signatures to ensure that the requests are coming from Authorize Net. Conclusion. In conclusion, setting up webhooks with Authorize Net is a straightforward process that can help you enhance your payment processing capabilities. By following the steps outlined in this guide and following best practices, you can ensure that your webhooks are secure and reliable. With webhooks, you can automate tasks and improve your customer experience.